Hello students, today we are going to discuss the magnetic field around a current carrying circular conductor. So here we have taken a circular conductor. This one is the circular conductor and the current is flowing from positive to negative pole through the circular conductor. So we are going to discuss how the formation of magnetic field line produced in such type of case. In case of circular conductor, so here the current is entering from positive pole and leaving to negative. So the direction of current from positive to negative through this circular coil or circular conductor. So in a circular conductor, the magnetic field are formed around each and every point on that circular conductor. मीन्स कहने का सेंस ये है कि अगर ये एक सर्कुलर कंडक्टर है और इसमें हमने करंट पास किया, करंट पास करेंगे तो सर्कुलर कंडक्टर पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं उन सारे पॉइंट्स के अराउंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस जनरेट हो जाएंगे. सपोज यहाँ पर हमने एक पॉइंट लिया और इस पॉइंट के अराउंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन सर्कुलर फॉर्म में जनरेट हो गई हैं. यहाँ दूसरा पॉइंट लें तो उस पॉइंट के अराउंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फॉर्म होगा. यानी कि हम कहीं पर भी पॉइंट लें तो उस पॉइंट के अराउंड सर्कुलर फॉर्म में ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस जनरेट हो जाएंगे. अब हम बात करेंगे डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन. तो जो डायरेक्शन है इसे हम राइट हैंड थंब रूल, जो प्रीवियस हमने लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया था, राइट हैंड थंब रूल से ही डायरेक्शन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस की डायरेक्शन को डिफाइन करेंगे. ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट पर राइट हैंड थंब रूल की थ्रू द राइट हैंड थंब रूल हम डायरेक्शन को डिफाइन करेंगे. केस ऑफ सर्कुलर कंडक्टर, in case of circular conductor, the magnetic field produced by current carrying wire at a given point depends directly on the current passing through it. And the formation of magnetic field line at each and every place or at each and every point takes place. Formation of magnetic field lines around each and every point takes place. Also, suppose we have considered a single loop of current carrying circular conductor. If we consider the n number of turns, suppose this is not a single loop, there are n number of loops are overlapping each other. In such case, for n turns, the field produced by wire is n times. So as the number of turns increases, the magnetic field also increases. So if we increase the number of turns of circular coil, then magnetic field also increases with the same ratio. Suppose we have increases the number of turns n times, then magnetic field will also increase by n times. So this is the case of circular conductor. In the circular conductor, the direction of magnetic field is defined by the right hand thumb rule. So by applying right hand thumb rule, we can find the direction of magnetic field at every point. Suppose if we are applying right hand thumb rule over here, definitely the direction of current is going in this way. So the direction of magnetic field will be this one. And here the direction of current is going in this way, leaving to negative pole. So the direction of current will be this one. So by applying right hand thumb rule, we can easily find the direction of magnetic field. And in case of current carrying circular conductor, the formation of magnetic field takes place around each and every point in the circular form. Now we are going to discuss magnetic field due to solenoid. So first of all, we have to know about the solenoid. What is solenoid? Solenoid is actually a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in shape of cylinder. यानी कि अगर हम कोई इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर ले लें और उस इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर के काफ़ी सारे टर्न्स को क्लोजली रैप करके इस तरह से अगर एक लूप फार्म कर लें जो सिलेंडर फार्म करें, सिलेंड्रिकल शेप फार्म करें, तो उसे ही हम कहेंगे कि सोलेनॉइड. उसे ही हम क्या कहेंगे? सोलेनॉइड. सो सोलेनॉइड क्या है? बेसिकली एक कॉयल है. सो एक कॉयल ऑफ मेनी सर्कुलर टर्न्स ऑफ insulated copper wire. Insulation is important because of there is no touch between one and other turn. There is no touch between one and other turn. So the copper wire is properly insulated. Insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder. So in such type of arrangement, if we connect the one side of solenoid or a wire of solenoid with negative pole and another with positive pole of battery, and if we connect it through a key, then the current will flow from positive to negative direction, and this solenoid will behave like a north-south magnet, NS magnet, or as a bar magnet. So when current flows through a solenoid, it behaves like a bar magnet. It behaves like a bar magnet. So it behaves like a bar magnet. Definitely there will be a N pole and a S pole. So north and south poles are formed. So north and south poles are formed when current flows in solenoid. So we will draw the pattern of magnetic field around this solenoid. We will apply the same rule, the right hand thumb rule. It's used to draw the pattern of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. So using the similar rule, we will find out the direction of magnetic field lines in case of solenoid. And now the strength of magnetic field produced depends on number of turns and strength of current. If we increase the number of turns in solenoid, then the magnetic field also increased. And if we increase the strength of current produced by the battery, then the magnetic field will increase. So the magnetic field produced depend on two things. One, the number of turns of wire in solenoid, and strength of current produced. So the strength of the magnetic field depends on the first factor, number of turns of insulated copper wire, so increasing the number of turns of insulated copper wire will increase the strength of magnetic field. And second factor on which the strength of magnetic field depend is strength of current. So by any means, if we set the value of current, suppose if here is 5 ampere current, and now if we increase this 5 ampere current to 10 ampere current, then the magnetic field will increase. So it depends on strength of current. So if value of current increase, magnetic field increases. It was the discussion over outside magnetic field. What is the condition of magnetic field inside the solenoid? So the field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. Field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of straight line. So this means that inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is uniform. Thank you. That's all for now. Thank you.